Your go-to friend in Bollywood?
Many of them. Salman is there, Ajay Devgan is there, Sunil Shetty.
So we got the reports wrong.
He got the reports wrong. Well,
She
my
gifted you.
wife
That's not
gives
the
them.
first time she's gifted you.
She keeps gifting me things.
Wow.
Yeah, absolutely mentally strong, and you got to break all the boundaries, and you got to fight it. And I think anything is achievable, when you're strong-minded and you're
Yes.
right there, and when you got to fight, you got to do it. Hi, this is Sanjay Dutt, and you're watching me on midday.com.
Hello everyone, this is Ocean Fernandez for Midday.com, and today we're in conversation with the man who doesn't need an introduction. He's an icon, a superstar, Mr. Sanjay Dutt. How are you? Good to see you today. So you are inspiring all the young minds out there that business can be done at any age and stage in life. What is that one business tip you've learned while working on this venture and you want to share with youngsters?
I just want to say that you got to be honest and you got to be focused on a product, whatever you're launching or you're doing. And you should have somebody like Moksh, because he understands this business more than anybody, and if you're doing something related with this, then I think he's the best person. And
Recently celebrated your birthday and you gifted yourself a luxury set of wheels, and that's the epitome of self-love. Where does that quality come from?
I gave myself what?
A luxury set of wheels, a new
My
car.
wife got that for me.
Oh, so we got the reports wrong.
He got the reports wrong. Well,
She
my
gifted you.
wife
That's not
gives
the first time she's gifted you.
She keeps gifting me things.
Wow.
Yeah, and
This is something which you cannot hide, so
Yes.
he had to show it.
yeah.
Awesome. So, sir, everyone is familiar that you're a big foodie and that you love food. I want to take you back to the time growing up. What was the food culture at home? Something that your mom used to prepare for you.
Well, it was very simple food. Dal chawal, roti, sabzi, chicken sometimes,
Awesome. So you had a health scare a couple of years ago and you've bounced back. Such an inspiration for many. Did you make any changes in terms of your diet or your health when you take up projects?
I made there's no changes in my diet and stuff, but you got to be absolutely mentally strong, and you got to break all the boundaries, and you got to fight it. And I think anything is achievable, when you're strong-minded and you're
Yes.
right there, and when you got to fight, you got to do it.
Awesome. So you're a family man, you love your kids, and after a hard working day, when you come home to them, but what I want to know is, with the business going on, with acting, how do you balance that family time?
Well, on a lighter note, I love to have a Glen walk and relax.
On that note, we'll have a quick rapid fire.
Yes.
So, what's your typical cheat meal? Your cheat meal when you're not working out, what do you eat?
Okay. I eat burgers and pizza and stuff like that.
Your go-to friend in Bollywood when you go out for a date or a lunch or a dinner date, besides your family?
And many of them. Salman is there, Ajay Devgan is there, Sunil Shetty, Jagu Dada, everybody.
One Mumbai street food you love.
Dalli Nahari. Yeah.
What's in your lunchbox when you're on set?
I'm on a strict diet, so it's mostly grilled fish and grilled chicken. Yeah.
One dish you love to cook at home.
Mutton, Kashmiri mutton, basically. Yeah.
And if you could eat one thing for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Fish.
Awesome. Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.